We need to get rid of this crisis down here, so. Because drown, we are drown. We are drown out down here. But enough people don't understand it.
And if I'm choosing, when the rain, the sewage, them say the pump broke down and the sewage start overflow. And see there, it's a mess right now. The whole road on a base sewage water. So we need water commission to come fix it now. It's not pig and goat live down here, so. We need the councillor, Michelle, we're calling authority to come do something.
BMP. Straight BMP.
See that, we can't get, if kids get mosquito, they ain't get everything go around. So we need some assistance, like immediately. So the rain fall, so the water rise up back. Because the sewage rise in the gully, we take the water off the road, I can't, you see that? So we need water commission come fix the sewage like immediately now. We can't take it to fed up of it. And I mean, alone live here in the community, all the while I come on the news media, all the while when it's raining and me come on the news.
Tell them say we need some representation. It's not Agangoat alone.
All the while and me alone, they're on the news.
I'm glad the general see the little baby, them have to go through
that. Germs this, totally germs.
Sewer them have to go in and sewer them have to walk in.
Every time the rain fall, everybody have to start to fret and worry. We have things in our house, a mash up furniture, everything. You have a school around us right now where the little babies sleep with them, nobody can go to school. The gully and the river around us, it want clean, it want to drain, something them have to do something for traffic to replace. To avoid certain water. See right in the house, a lot of people can't go in them house to sleep. Water still run out of my house, see me over there. So as I can see, I take the picture with the little youth them, and my little youth them come up. We've been through it already, flood things that mash up in the house and them look something there. Nobody now doing one time, election time and voting time, them come around here, them walk the road and them are going to do this and them are going to do that and nothing. Nothing of them now do. Nothing of them now do.
MP, we don't have the representation.
We need to get rid of this crisis down here, so. Because drown, we are drown. We are drown out down here. But enough people don't understand it. You see when it dry, everybody all concerned by themselves, you know, but when it wet, everybody concerned. But if you ever concerned, you see when it dry, we have to clean all drains and all gullies. Before the time, the gully around here so need to be clean. From top come to the bottom part of the river. The tunnel them need to clean. Why do you have me alone have to jump down in the town clean 2 tunnels by myself? Everybody, I want to take into consideration about new people down at the riverside. Because up so when the rain run, down here so everything comes settle. This water here, what them see now, is not a normal water. This is a sword to a grungage and at league. So you know, say, it's a process for the baby them. If you have a little thing, you have a couple little see 2 little baby them, and you see passing by, them have to walk in it. And I know one water where you know, say it not smell. A doo-doo. Be stools. More time in the water. If you don't mind, chap, some catching at your toenail them. Them come like tar. Someone everybody knows say, our thing this, I want it live, globe. That's them know say a serious something happening down here, so. Right now, I nearly drown on my house, you know. Alright, you see if the rain ever drew down here, you see all the hill. You have a water bus off of the hill, one red water. So in that bus, all your plant kit dead. Like it's a backside dirt from off of the hill from Plantation Heights. It's a backside dirt. Fly down, everything dead. If you don't mind, you have all your toenail them rotten out of your toe. Hell, a serious thing, if you come down here one day, barefoot, you know. And a ground which you catch between your toe, you know. You have to cock up your foot, make your girls them go and look about it. Serious thing, man.
36 years over there, we're born here. Yeah.
And this happens almost every year?
Every year, every time that's when the rain falls, so something is wrong with the pump. Every time. The pump needs to be thought out better than that. As you can see, space sewage up. I'm going to get the assistant now from no authority.